Unboxing the Sony ZVE 10. Let's unbox this bad boy. Got a limited warranty paper. What's this? You got Sony protection plan, benefits, scan the code. Got a reference guide. Lenses, accessories. You can scan and get lenses, different accessories. I don't know what this is. Specifications. There we go. What in? Information on an interchangeable lens, digital camera. So some more information about how to change a lens. You see there, changing lenses, different things like that. Windscreen, some information on the camera, shooting, viewing. Yeah, so information deal there. Manual. All right. Now we're getting, put it here so you can see it. So one of these cords, USB to USB-C, if I said that correctly. Got a charger here. Camera strap. I was gonna say watch strap, but this is not a watch. We got, what in the world? Oh my, okay, this is, oh, a little, I guess the video people call it a dead cat windscreen for the camera itself right there. And then this would be the battery. So we got all that there, and then here we go. Just pull this thing out. Nothing else in the box. We'll drop the box here. Look at this beauty here. If I could figure out how to get it out of this, what in the, I don't know why I'm struggling, y'all. My unboxing videos, I'll be struggling. So here it is. The Sony ZVE 10. Boom, in all of its beauty. Look at this. Thank you. Shout out to everybody who had a video on this. Think Media. I don't know first name, last name, Gladney. Some other people. A lot of videos on YouTube. Thank y'all for that. There you can see. Screen pops open. Boom. I bought the one that comes with a lens. And I got a screen protector package. Some other stuff from Adorama when I bought it. But you see there, lens is already here. This is a 1650. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what lens this is. I'll figure all this out later. But there it is. Unboxing it. Got the on-off button right there. Power button, some other stuff. Let's turn it on. See what happens. Oh, I gotta put the battery in. Okay, so the battery's not in, so it's not gonna turn on. But the battery, have everything there, and this is me unboxing the Sony ZVE 10. I'm so excited to use this camera. I gotta put the battery in there. Haha! So excited to use it, and yeah, I'm not gonna go through all the stuff, turning it on, all the features. Someone else who's more, how do I say, detailed and understands all that stuff is better than me, and I'm going to watch their videos to figure this out as well. But it is here. I don't even know how to close. Okay, you got to close it that way. But my Sony ZVE 10 is here. Let's go.